Okay, this is a how-to on how to disassemble and then reassemble your Rubik's 3x3. This is not an original 3x3 Rubik's Cube, but it's a very nice speed cube from China, as you can see right there. Yeah. If you can't read that, it says Diane Shang. Yeah, I think it's pretty funny. Before we do that, I'm going to show you a little booklet I found that came with this Rubik's Cube when we bought it online. And it also is from China. It says, right in this top corner, it says Diane Shang, or however you want to pronounce it. I think it's just funny to say it like that. That's in the top right corner, and this doesn't even look anything like a Rubik's Cube, kind of even instruction booklet, pamphlet, whatever you want to see. But if you can see that, that's definitely in some Chinese, Japanese, and stuff. So is stuff on the bottom, which actually you can read better if you like open it up. And this is an instruction booklet on how to solve the Rubik's Cube in Chinese or Japanese or whatever. And I just think this is hilarious because I have no idea what any of this stuff says. It's got little teeny pictures in it. It's kind of funny, actually. And I'm just showing this because it came with the cube, and it's freaking hilarious. We don't know what this means. Why would you give it to us? Seriously, you can't read any of that. Like right there. It's like a paragraph in Chinese. Look at that. No, you can't. Okay, you're going to want to put your finger or whatever in here and push it out. And then just pull out the pieces and turn it. Until all the pieces fall out. And you have this core. Okay, you're going to want to make a ring around the middle layer. So you got to find the right pieces. So I'm going to use the white and the green piece, and you just pop it right in. And see how that fits in. And I'm just going to do the rest of it real quick.
Tell my secrets, keep them hidden. You got it, you got it, you got it. The words that matter.
After you get this whole ring around, you're going to want to do a whole side and just put that in like normal. Okay, after you get the whole bottom and the middle layer, just do the top layer like you would normal. And I'm going to speed it up. Well, just in case you guys don't know how, I'll show you how to do the first couple parts and I'll speed it up. You're going to want to put 3 corner pieces. Need the white one. Kind of turn it off to a corner. Now you're going to need to use, push it in, and you're just going to do that to the rest of the sides. So I do this corner piece, or I could do the edge piece, and I'm going to do these 2 edge pieces, then I'm also going to solve these.
Will you be wondering if, or do I need what is given alignment? Does it cost me scarring if the words stay true?
And now it's all put together, and it works fine.